Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. This cute little box can be used for gifting small articles. You'll be surprised to know when I'll tell you what I have used to decorate this box. Simple art and craft gave me this result and I am happy with it. Do you find this box to be attractive? Now let's start making it. To begin with, take the box you want to decorate. I am using these stone laces to be pasted on the edges. I have coated the box with a paste of POP, and how to go about it you can refer my earlier video. The link of it is given in the description box. A layer of POP gives the rough finish to the box. You can use a plain box also without the coat of POP. I am pasting the lace all along the edges of the box with the white glue. All along I am using 2 lines of stone. Along the edges where the box opens, I am using single line each side. Once the lace is pasted all along, now come the next part. I am taking these empty packets of wafers and will be cutting it into tiny pieces. First cut the thin strips. Now roll the paper and cut as tiny bits as you can. Once you think you have sufficient quantity of it, now apply a liberal quantity of glue to the box. Sprinkle the pieces on the box and gently pat it till the whole side is covered properly. After this is done, let it dry for an hour or two. Now we'll be filling the space between 2 laces with glitter powder. First apply white glue with a brush and dab the glitter powder onto it. Once the edges are done, let it dry for an hour or so. After an hour, give a coat of varnish to the box. This coating will fix all the pieces together and give a shine to the box. Plus it will keep the dust away. This coating of varnish is going to take 2 to 3 hours to dry. Our box is ready. Isn't it beautiful? And such an innovative idea? Now think of all the things that can be gifted in this cute little box. Ta-da! Best out of waste into this beautiful decorative box. And this one too. Wow, beautiful. Now guess what I have used to decorate this box. Old CDs resulting into this amazing gifting box. To make this decorative gifting box, first we need to cut the CDs into small pieces like this. Apply a thin layer of white glue and paste the pieces onto it. Preferably cut the pieces in triangular shape. That will give a good design to the box. The box I am using has a coat of POP. You can refer to my earlier video about how to coat the box with POP paste, the link of which is in the description box. I have used the POP paste as it gives sturdiness to the box. You can directly apply glue and paste the CD pieces onto it. Once it is done, now I am covering the spaces between the CD with the glue, a line of glue rather, and I'll be sprinkling glitter powder onto it. So the sharp edges of the CDs will be covered with glue in this way. And we'll have a beautiful shimmery and glittery line. Just wait and watch. Now brush off the extra powder from the box and clear the strands of glue left here and there. To make this beautiful gifting box presentable, we'll be covering the inner side with velvet paper. I'm tying 3 beads in the golden string and fixing it on the lid for decoration. In order to hold the lid in a closed position, I'm pasting pieces of Velcro so that the box can be opened and closed. At the point the lid folds to close, I'm pasting a piece of golden lace. Use of glue and shimmer powder has resulted into these amazing golden lines, making our gifting box so beautiful. How did you find this concept, friends? CD, glue gun and this amazing gifting box. Friends, if you liked my video, remember to give a thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications. Share and subscribe for new ideas. You can also find me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. Gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.